Alright, hello. Welcome back to Satisfactory. This is Maker Gaming. I'm excited for those Fixmas gifts to be gone soon. We are in part 2 of our high-speed connector build. So yeah, let's just talk about what happened first. So over a year ago, I built this circuit board factory. It's just it's just two assemblers. Everything else is being routed in. To look like a circuit board, and I thought that was very novel before I was on Reddit and noticed that I think a lot of people do this. But then I got a little more advanced and I made this computer holding the manufacturer that makes the computer. Then I went heavy modular frame over there. And yeah, so this has kind of become an electronics area now on this side of the canyon. Last one was the AI limiter, and now we're doing the high-speed connector. So what do we have so far? I placed the manufacturer on a lower level. There's multiple levels here to be working on for the machines, just to, I don't know, give it some depth, give it some detail. So we have copper coming out here. The copper is being produced in here. We have copper, 8 smelters, getting the ingots we need for the build, plus some. Copper comes out there, we get cable there, turned into wire, feeds into there. When the copper comes down here, we're going to have it split off these two machines and this machine to make copper sheets. Those go into the assembler for circuit boards. Then all the extra copper ingots go down here, and this is our awesome sink belt. And everything that doesn't get used will go in there. These are just graphical. This is kind of like a heat sink. And then yeah, we've got some beams, we've got some lights. And so now I want to finish this. So to finish this, we gotta get the copper sheets going. We gotta get all the quick wire ingots we need in here, and we gotta get the quartz into silica in here. So that's what we're gonna do. Then we'll turn everything on. Thanks for watching. That's funny. Just realized we have that connected to the wrong line. This is the copper output line. This line we don't even have an assignment for it yet. Oh, and also I should point that out for anyone that didn't watch before. All 3 of these are pointless right now. It's just 3 belts that go all the way across the board. Then they hit lifts down there, go directly below themselves, and then wrap around into a storage container underneath this half. If we need them, we will use these lines for something, but I just wanted a lot of movement on the board, so that's what this is. We'll clean up all this clipping and everything when we're done, probably.
Yeah. That's not gonna happen.
I know I said in the last episode I was going to wait to power everything, but I think I want to power copper. And do I want to go power underfloor? No, I don't think so. And I just disconnected this after I checked it, so I can put that back in. Alright, so that gets us our 240. Alright, the path should be working. There we go. Alright, we know it's working at least partially. It should be feeding this, and it's not. Why, I don't know. Smart splitter. Now we're fixed. I liked this in terms of room. Had to get 3 of these producing copper sheets, and I only had room here for 2. So I just wrapped it all the way up there behind this one. So it's excessively going way over there to feed the 3rd one. And then all of their outputs go together with these mergers right here. And all of that is to feed into here for the circuits. I don't know, it was excessive, but I liked it. Alright, so we know cable works. I don't want my power going all the way across. I don't even know how much I like these. So we will do at least one. Let's do it from the inside. Get some power run underneath to the other side. This is our finishing touch to complete copper for the system. And like we said, we need a sink. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that one yet. You know, we could smart split this, say, instead of any, say, copper ingots, and then we can actually sushi belt this as early as we want. So realistically, we could just put this excess as a smart splitter here. So that's any, right is overflow, left is overflow. Merge it that way. That is a solution. Alright, that's a lot more movement just with the copper. Hooray. Alright, so we have copper down, now we just need the quartz and the quick wire. We only need 16.5 raw quartz coming in. And in the upkeep video we made these, what do you want to call them, bridges? Just to transport materials through this main area to clean up all the crazy belt work we had at one point. So I think I've just decided, damn gifts. I think I've just decided I'm going to, there's still one quartz miner I have up there that's not mining, one quartz node, so I'm just going to get that going, probably drop it here, and either bring it to here or make another bridge going out that way. If we did that, let me check the level. This might actually just work perfect. Alright, I'll probably just time lapse this real quick. You know what? I don't think this is going to be good enough. I think I'm going to want to make this a little fancier than just a hanging belt. I like it. Do we have our... I don't even think we have it. That must be a custom color. That's close enough though. Alright, let's figure out a way. I think we want it... just go dead center. Redo that, normal size hole. Alright, I think it's something like that maybe. And we'll just place this straight over. So delete those two. And we'll just line them straight into these. So it's a little bit of a different look, but basically the same, just different spacing. We've been leaving all the ends open, so we'll do the same over there. Alright, we're gonna have to come up with something to do with our quartz. We didn't want that. You know, maybe we just go beams. We want to do it from the top, just so that, I mean, not that they need to be, but we should really make all the beams even from the same side. That way, if we're working on any sort of crossing. What am I doing? Don't go down there. Damn autosave. Damn your timing. Alright, don't like that. But I think it's fine for now. Alright, that's enough of that. I'll just show it done. Coming out the end that we need it. Alright, I'm going to turn this black box on the back end into an excess quartz area. Just get extra quartz and silica. And also this one with a merger going back to the awesome sushi belt. Alright, I'll skip past most of the normal merger belt power running. So I need to route the quartz through the copper box underfloor and across the chip. Okay, that's a problem. You know, never mind. All problems on the board are solved with the awesome sushi belt. I got bored of the chip work, so I'm just working on the waterfront and the one support pylon we need. Here I just centered 4 ramps around the center point, but I didn't like it. It did lead me to a simpler star though. I'm using a barrier to push these foundations out an odd amount, just to kind of flare out the base. I'm noticing some of these are offset 5 and some 3 meters, so just let me think of a fix. Alright, just simplified to the basic 4, then a barrier 1 meter off from the point to a line. With those 4 done, just repeating on another level for the diagonal, that way I can drag it down. Okay, 3 more times. That's it. Okay, so that's all 4. I actually like that shape a lot, but I want to try ramps with it. Well, it's good enough for me. Kind of cool. Okay, the white's excessive. We can't coat that shit in plastic, though. Okay, the corner is officially supported. So now we tear out the floor and put the pylon here also, and then put the floor back. Super simple. This is a maintenance montage, by the way. I had to add smart splitters here because I added copper sheets with a merger upstream, so yeah, now I gotta fix it. I like to perch up here in this light, thinking about the design. One of my favorite parts of the day in the game. Alright, I don't know why I decided to be extra and run this border on the quick wire. See if I like it. Alright, the silicone edition, super easy off the sushi belt. And then just a smart splitter to the awesome sushi. Okay, circuit boards are automated. So we needed Caterium. That was our last thing we needed. This is over here by our original Caterium plant, which actually I would love to redo. That and the steel. So it's ran. Maybe I'll just time-lapse this real fast just so you can see the path we're taking. This is how we're getting a lot of our stuff from our original northern forest and everything over to our main canyon builds. So yeah, I think we're there. We just got to finish Caterium and we are done. And we also have everything running just to make sure it works. I even loaded some quick wire into the manufacturer just to make sure. And yeah, everything else is running smooth. Everything else is set to the awesome sync. Excess everything is basically coming through. We also have, here I go summarizing, but this is the one thing. We have extras in here, just making a second stockpile, even though our other quartz is fairly nearby. I see that becoming quartz for something else, for another project. So for now, we just have it storing there. We need 210 quick wire, which comes down to about 135 Caterium ore. So we have 180 coming in. So we'll actually have about 15, 16, we'll actually have 18 quick wire a minute extra. And then if I didn't show it earlier, that's, I don't love that, but that's what we ended up with. kind of an industrial look. We do have the pink. That kind of boosted me. Got the pink accent. I thought about doing that accent down the line of quartz too, but we got that running through. Alright, and we got our Caterium to here. To our pointless subfloor with our nonsense belts. I thought about taking over one of these belts for it, but okay, so where do we want the Caterium? We know the Caterium is going to end here. We know the quick wire is going to end here. 210 a minute coming up this elevated line, which I just did for whatever. So we need the constructors to be around here. So let's look at numbers. So 45 for 15, and we have 180 coming in. So we just need to double both of these. Or even do a third one, since smelters are the smallest thing on the game. We should center those. Seems a little tight. You know what? We could ride this rail. Let's see if we can make that work. That'll give us extra room over there. We need you out of here. I don't usually do this, but let's go. That's exactly where I needed to be. There you go. Yeah, something like here might serve us better. Yeah, we'll just stay right there on the white. I like that. Let's see. That give us enough curving. That might be exactly what we need. Let's see. Alright, so now that gives us more room to work with on the glass. Alright, we're good down here. Call the second one done. Actually, bed plays games. Let's do... Oh man, do I remember off the top of my head? We want to go... This was... We'll just call them... We'll just go to the limits that I know work. 5, -5. Select color. Okay, wait, that didn't work. 5. And... -5. There we go. I didn't follow his rules at all, but that's a truer black. I don't know why I'm doing single clicks, but it's too late to stop now. How awesome is that? That actually means, and I actually like when the lights stick out like that. I swear it's not a design flaw. I can even check on them. But that makes me give pause to want to possibly change all these to concrete and get rid of this grid pattern. Oh, I have till the end of autosave to decide. Well, let's at least try it, right? Let's try one. Alright, so for color, we want to start off with this. This is a pretty good circuit color that we've been using since we made our circuit board. So what would we normally get would be that. This isn't going to work in the dark. That's looking good even in the dark. Lighting is not the best thing for my computer. So we'll go with a little one. Oh yeah. Okay. I probably shouldn't be making all these decisions in the dark, but I like it. Let's move a lot of them. Alright, so I think I'm going to like that green, but let's just hold off. And we're also going to need to save that green. Thanks, Bed. Alright, so that is our good oversaturated color. Let's figure out where we went. Alright, so that's our excess. That is our excess ingots. No, ore. So we got overflow. Right, we have deuterium. Ore. Center output's nothing. We need these powered. Alright, so now we need to feed however many constructors. We feed that into there and we are done. Oh, and we also have to get the deuterium. I mean, we can just go real simple. Just bring it out whatever's closest over here. Alright, then we'll put that there so that we can see how high this is. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's easy enough. Yeah, that'll work. We nailed it. Let's just get that. Doing that. And then we go 1, 2, 1, 2. Mark that off. And that should give us the right turn there. And it does. Alright. Alright, we have no overflow yet, but that will change. 45, 45, and let's just do the most in the back. Not the best idea. Well, that'll actually be our full 180 when it's not backed up. Man, what a great green. This would be good for some fake grass. Alright, let's get 210 of these things. Oh, it's still going to be tight. Looks like we can only work with 2. So let's center them. I run out of fuel before I line this up because I'm doing this like an idiot. Nailed it. I could fix power in the future to be a little less random, but you never know. I might just leave it. Alright, 210. Gives us 150, 30 in. That gets us 210. We'll merge them. Is that the finishing touches? Am I officially done? I think I am. I can end this episode. I might do some little tweaks, change some machine colors. Oh, look at that manufacturer over there. In case you can't see it. Boom. Looks green to me. Alright. We have high-speed connectors automated. Look at it go. Yeah, there's probably still a little bit of cleanup I want to do with mostly the foundations, but I checked each part, so I know the awesome sync works. We might want to up the belts, adding this caterium right here. Let's just go to 4. We're not gonna go over 4. And we might back that back down to 3 if it doesn't look as cool. I don't want it backed up, but it doesn't look like it's getting backed up, so I'll keep an eye on it. With my sword in hand for some reason. Yeah, I like this one. I like all the movement. I like how much movement we got with a fairly simple, you know, just a single manufacturer product line. I like the, I like it. Let me just get rid of this, and then we'll go see it from up top, and we'll call it done. Then we'll probably look into supercomputers and such. Look at some MAM when we get back. Make some more progress. You know, I meant to put the little side circles on the black side, but I don't think it needs it. We didn't exactly hit the challenge of making it look like the board, but I don't know, I like this better. Oh, I also need to do the black. Ah, this is good. Yeah, this one was fun. I like how it turned out. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Now, hello again, Maker Gaming. So yeah, after this video, I ended up adding this track light to the quartz, caterium, and bronze lines. I'm not sure if I like it, so if you made it this far, leave it in the comments. Is it better like this or from 20 seconds ago? Thanks.